I'm going to show you on Hostinger website builder how to check the website traffic. Okay, so if you want to check your traffic on Hostinger, this is what you need to do. You're going to have to go to select your website. So I'll go here to website, and then from here, I'm going to go to, I'll select this website, add it to website. And then from here, what I need to do here is to click on more settings. And then here we have analytics. Now we can check site sessions, unique visitors, can also select in the last 30 days. And traffic overview, this will visitors data is actually updated every 24 hours. So thanks for watching. I hope you found this helpful. And also don't forget that you can also here, you can also see sessions by country. You can see sessions by device as well. So yeah, thanks for watching.